how to make rules channel on Discord. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for discord.com and then log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply head over to the server where you would like to add the rules. Now click on the server's name, scroll down to server settings. You need to go ahead and simply tap on enable community. Click on enable community one more time. And now Discord will ask you to complete a few requirements to turn your server into community server. Now after enabling it, you can simply tap on save changes. After that, head over to your server settings. After that, simply tap on safety setup and then simply tap on DM and spam protection. Tap on edit. Now enable the option that says member must accept rules before they can talk or DM. After that, you want to go ahead and simply click on setup and add a short description about your server. Then start creating your server rules. You can add multiple rules, manage your order, and customize everything however you want. Once finishes, you can simply click on save and make sure the rule feature is turned on. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.